Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom and enjoy learning. By the end of this video, you'll enjoy your life as AI generates up to $100 per day for you. It's not a joke. I'm recording this video right now and AI is generating up to $3,000 per month for me through affiliate marketing. You only need to set everything up on the first day and then let it do its work. People are making huge money from this, but no one wants you to know this strategy. Even my team told me to sell this as a course, but no. Because you're loyal followers, I'm sharing everything for free. You don't have to spend a single cent in the whole process. If you're not ready for this, pause the video and come back when you're free, because this is a life-changing video. No matter where you're from, you can start this. Drop your country in the comments and let's begin. Let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Basically, all you're doing is promoting someone else's product. When they make money, you make money. It's literally a win-win for everyone involved. You don't have to worry about shipping or inventory. Forget dealing with boxes or customer complaints. That's not your problem. You're working from home, on your schedule, in your pajamas if you want. Total freedom, right? The coolest part is, you don't need crazy skills or a ton of money to start. You can literally jump into any niche you're into, whether it's fitness, gaming, beauty, or something totally random. There's an audience out there for everything. So yeah, affiliate marketing is like a golden ticket to earning online without all the headaches. And on top of all that, the automation part we're adding is going to change everything. So stick around and don't forget to smash the like button because you're about to see something that's never been on YouTube before. The first thing we need to do is find a strong niche that's trending right now. The right niche can make or break your success. That's why I've prepared a list of 10 profitable niches that have worked extremely well for me. Each one comes with examples of products you can promote. Honestly, just pick one and move on. They all work and all have massive audiences. To check if a niche has potential, just search for it on TikTok. If you see millions of views, that's a clear sign it has a big, active audience. But here's the key. To maximize your earnings, we need something that's trending right now. For that, we'll use Google Trends. Simply filter the results to show data from the last 30 days and plug in all the niches to see which ones are getting the most searches this month. For example, as you can see, making money online is trending right now. Once we've found a high search niche, the next step is to choose the right offer to promote through affiliate programs. There are many affiliate websites, but the best ones I actually use are Warrior Plus and JVZoo. These are the websites we'll focus on in this video. First, create an account. It's easy and anyone can do it. I believe these websites are available in almost every country. Once you've completed the setup and filled in your profile information, go back to the PDF I've provided. You'll find the PDF for free in the description. Just enter $0 or any amount if you'd like to support the content, put in your email, and download your copy. Scroll down in the PDF to find the Google Sheet link. Click on it, then click Make a Copy. This is where we'll collect the 10 best offers in our niche and compare them to pick the best one to promote. Now head back to JVZoo to find some offers. Both JVZoo and Warrior Plus are very similar. They have the same filters and metrics, so I'll explain using just one. First, filter by category and select Business and Finance. Here's what to look for in the best offers: at least 100 sales, a conversion rate of 4% or higher, and a refund rate of 3% or less. If the price is over $100, skip it. It's harder to get your first sale with higher priced offers. Let's check this one. The price looks reasonable and the commission is 50%, so you'd earn $29.50 per sale. Let's take a look at the sales page. It's appealing. So for example, this offer is a good choice. Add the offer details to the Google Sheet. Offer name, affiliate link, sales page link, commission rate, and conversion rate. Repeat this process to collect the 10 best offers from the two websites. Once we have all 10 offers, it's time to compare them. For example, you'll notice that 3 offers are the most profitable with the highest conversion rates. This one in particular has an amazing sales page. It's so creative, even I'm tempted to buy it. Now that we know which offer to promote, request approval for the affiliate link. Click Request Approval and type something like this. Hi, I'm very interested in promoting the Yellow Brick Formula offer. With my marketing strategies, I'm confident I can generate significant sales for this amazing program. I look forward to your approval. After submitting, wait 1 to 24 hours for approval. By the way, this offer can earn you up to $276 from a single customer, including upsells. In less than an hour, they approved my request, and this is my affiliate link. Now comes the fun part. We'll use AI to automatically create content that promotes this link. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 50 pieces of advice to earn money online in short sentences. Next, click Copy, then go to Canva and search for Quote to find a cool video template. Pick any design you like. You'll need Canva Pro, but don't worry. I'll pin the link for free Canva Pro access in my Telegram channel so everyone can use it. Once you've chosen your template, click Apps, type Bulk, and select Enter Data manually. Delete the default column and replace it with your quote column. Now paste all 50 pieces of advice there and hit Done. Right-click on the placeholder text, click Connect Data, choose Quotes, click Continue, then generate 50 designs. Boom, 50 unique and professional designs ready to go. To make them pop as videos, click Animation and pick an effect you like to make them look sleek and professional. To download all of them at once, check the box and click Download. Just like that, you have 50 different and professional videos. Now it's time to use AI tools to post them automatically. For this, we'll use a website called Metricool because it offers a free plan that covers everything we need. Signing up is super easy. Just use your email. Make sure it's real because they'll send a confirmation link. Next, create accounts on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. These are the best platforms for this strategy. Get creative with your logo and account name. I named mine 1 million because it fits the offer perfectly. To avoid getting banned for posting affiliate links directly, we'll create a simple landing page. Go to Canva and search for Service Website Template. Pick something clean and minimalist. Delete unnecessary pages, keep it simple, and customize it to your liking. Add your affiliate link to a button on the page. Once it's ready, download it as a PDF and upload it to Google Drive. Make sure to set the sharing settings so anyone with the link can access it. Now connect your social accounts to Metricool. Go to the planning section to schedule your posts. Click Create Post, upload your video, and for the caption, type, Ways to make money online. Ready to build wealth in 5 days? Check the link in the description. Use that to describe the video and promote the link in your bio. For Instagram, enable the option to show it on your feed. On Pinterest, give it a catchy title, create a board and add your link. On TikTok, keep your video public. Schedule your post for the next day and click Schedule. Done. Your content will be published automatically. Here's the best part. You don't have to repeat this process every single day. Just click Duplicate. Replace the video with the next one and schedule it. Repeat this for the whole month. Metricool also tracks your progress, showing you followers gained and other insights to keep you moving forward. Remember, this isn't just about affiliate marketing. It's about creating a life where AI does the hard work and you reap the rewards. Thank me later.